A typical day in my life is beautifully complicated. I use many different Canon products for a wide variety of applications, but the all-new Canon EOS M50 Mark II mirrorless camera checks off a ton of boxes. To kick off this day, my daughter has virtual school online, and with the EOS webcam utility and USB wire, it's completely effortless for remote calls and video chats. With my daughter all set up for school, I can head to my home office and get some work done. To market my business, I do a ton of social media and I have to film myself a lot. Canon really caters to this need by offering vertical video recording and up to 4K. And no more laying the camera on the ground or propping it up against the desk. The Canon BRE1 tripod and grip makes setup a snap. It even has a Bluetooth controller to trigger recording. The camera has an interchangeable lens system and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD that makes self-filming simple and will get a ton of use on a day like today. With my social media post scheduled and done, it's off to my studio for a live broadcast. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II makes live streaming simple with its built-in web encoder, which allows me to broadcast to YouTube right from the camera. If you want to use a wire, you can also export a clean, unmarked video signal through the camera's HDMI port. No more information display overlays like in the original M50. Good audio is important here, so I'm using Canon's on-camera microphone for a great forward-facing sound. Hi, I'm Vanessa Joy, Canon Explorer of Light, and we are live here on YouTube to talk all about social media and how to be seen. It's the largest marketing platform there is, so you need to take advantage of it. There's a whole line of Canon EFM interchangeable lenses, and this Canon sling bag offers plenty of room for all of my accessories. I'll be doing some vlogging in the field too, so I'll need the space. Time for a little me time at one of my favorite shore towns. This sling bag is perfect for day tripping or as a carry-on. It has a crossbody strap for comfort and an easy on-off buckle. The Canon EFM lens line is well established and offers plenty of variety to work seamlessly with the M50 Mark II's APS-C CMOS sensor. The electronic viewfinder plus touch and drag autofocus capabilities make capturing great shots almost effortless. The images out of this Canon EOS M50 Mark II are tack-sharp, clear, vibrant, and colorful. It's the perfect camera for vacations, day trips, and any kind of travel. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is meant for a variety of photographers and filmmakers. The updated AI Servo focusing, which now works in video mode too, and improved eye detection gives vloggers like me the confidence to just turn the camera around and film yourself with ease and accuracy. There's something special about being here after Labor Day when all the tourists have gone home. You don't have to pay to get on the beach, and it's just more serene. It's nothing but locals. There's even an adapter, so don't worry, you can use your Canon EF series lenses on the M50 Mark II. Back at the homestead, it's time to test this baby on my babies. Kids will be kids, and that built-in eye detection lets me capture their little moving faces instead of asking them to sit still for a picture. They don't love that. While the first version of the Canon M50 had the ability to wirelessly transfer images to compatible devices, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II now allows you to upload your images directly to image.canon for safekeeping. There's no longer a need to clog up your phone with high-resolution images. You can easily move the images at image.canon to Google Photos for quick access and long-term storage. The autofocus is better than ever. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II eye detection now kicks in with your subject when they're further away from the camera than ever before. Even if your subject is as fast as my little guy here, you'll notice the eye detection grab on much sooner than with the original M50. There is a great line of accessories for the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, including this EL100 flash that's handy for those low-light indoor settings. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II really holds its own even on a commercial shoot. Here I'm grabbing some food photography shots on a new line of duo boards by V-Flat-World. I was extremely impressed with this camera's images. They are full of detail, color, and crispness that are sure to make these photos stand out. Bottom line, there's so much packed into this compact and lightweight camera system that it's a great solution for budding photographers, food and product photographers, social media content creators, moms like me, and live streamers. It really is the by-your-side camera that's sure to work as hard as you do.